Hey guys, just want to talk to you guys about my car going into lit mode. Maybe if you guys are having similar issues, it could be an easy fix. I'll definitely add the fault number. It should be in the description, and then also I'll put it on the screen here. So anyways, this car is brand new. Pretty much I bought it back in March. Right now it currently only has like 400 miles. Um, um, I took it out to Cal City after we did the break-in period, and I just wanted to drive the car kind of hard because after taking it out for 2 trips and just pretty much babying the car, it's kind of boring, you know. So I took it out to Cal City, and I like it out there because you can see incoming traffic, so you don't have to worry about somebody coming on the other side of the hill, or especially when you're going pretty fast, you don't want to collide with anyone. So we took it out to Cal City. Literally 15 miles into the trip, my car goes into limp mode. It's misfiring in all cylinders. Check engine light is on. The car wouldn't go over 30 miles an hour. Obviously, horsepower is very limited. And yeah, it was boring. It was a boring trip. So I came back home, took it to the dealer. They told me that it was the belt and the clutch bearing. The clutch bearing, only reason why the clutch bearing had to be replaced is because my clutch was humming. So with that being said, they were going to warranty that, but the belt they didn't want to warranty. Luckily I called BRP and they approved the replacement. They did a goodwill on the belt. Normally that's not covered under warranty because that's a wear tear item. So luckily BRP was nice enough to go ahead and goodwill that belt. Again, this process took me about over a month, so it wasn't a quick turnaround, but it was worth the wait. I guess if I would have known that it was probably just a belt, I probably would have just replaced it myself and been able to go riding again. But the thing that had me really concerned was because the motor was misfiring. But anyways, they replaced the belt. I'll definitely add the fault number. It should be literally right under here somewhere. So we replaced the belt, went out to Wagon Wheel, and drove the car hard. I didn't do the break-in period on the belt because I just wanted to make sure that everything was working fine, because my manufacturer warranty has expired, and they were only going to give me 6 months of warranty on the parts that they replaced. So I had to pretty much drive the car pretty hard to see if it was going to go again into limp mode, because at the time I wasn't really convinced that it was just a belt. But yeah, drove the car, went to Wagon Wheel. That clip is coming out as well. And car drove good. Had no check engine light. Had full horsepower. And dude, I'm in love with the car again. At first I kind of wanted to return the car because this is my second X3, and I was kind of bummed out. But now the car's working good. It's all dirty. I got to wash it. But yeah, so if you guys have something similar characteristics of a check engine light, misfiring on the cylinders, and obviously not having the horsepower, try swapping out the belt. One of the belts that I do recommend is Evolution Power Sport. They have the Badass belt. That belt is amazing. So I think right now I'm running the OEM because obviously they goodwilled that OEM, but once this thing blows or it's time to replace, I'm definitely gonna go with Badass. So yeah. Also, one other thing, hit the subscribe button, and if you guys find this video kind of helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. And we're gonna try to come out with content once a month, come out with a new video. Obviously if you guys subscribe and that number goes up, it motivates me to stay on it so I can keep entertaining you guys. So definitely do that. All right, thanks guys.